Alright, this is a video about the additive injector controller that you'll be receiving with your system. We'll just take it from the unboxing. It'll arrive on a pallet with the rest of the equipment. And it'll be packaged in this way. First thing you'll have inside is your full manual, which has all the operating instructions and plumbing and wiring diagram, but we also include your plumbing diagram and your wiring diagram, an extra copy of them. And the reason we do that is for the installer to be able to tape it up to the side of the truck to refer to while he's doing the install. And it can get dirty and damaged, and then you still have your original in your manual for safekeeping. One thing I will point out on the manual is you'll see on the wiring diagram page, plumbing page, and on the first page of the manual the serial number of the system that it was written for. We do so much customization of systems here that we started doing that, so every manual, anything custom about it, we actually print a separate manual for them. So that's why we do that. Then in the box you have your packing, and then your controller is in there, nothing else. So this is the controller. This will mount somewhere on the truck that the delivery guy can turn it on and off and look at the screen to know when he's making a delivery that everything's working. So just looking at it here, on the screen it'll say how many gallons of diesel you've pumped, how much additive you've put in, what any alarm messages. It'll show here, it'll show the level of fuel, the level of additive in your tank. And then you've got a light. If the pump is running, that light will be lit. If you have any valves on your system, a valve will light anytime it opens. So if the guy's going to make a delivery, he starts to pull his hose out and get set up to start pumping fuel. He just flips this to on. Everything will zero out, and now it'll put additive in as you deliver. As you're delivering, your diesel counter on your LC meter or midcom meter or whatever you're using should match the diesel count on this system. When you're done with a delivery, you flip it off. It knows the end of the delivery has happened. It records a record to the flash drive, and you're ready for moving on to your next site. So just to look at the box a little more, it's a fiberglass box. When you wire it up, you'll just have to make some holes somewhere. We send in the kit these cord grips. Usually you'll probably make your holes in the bottom or the side to get your wires in and out. You'll have to find a location to mount it. We have these studs coming out of the back of the box. You can fabricate some brackets, drill some holes in something to mount it. I'm not sure what your plan would be, but everybody's got a different idea of the best way. Looking inside the controller, I'll do another video on more detail on the inside, but see the back of your screen. We've got some label for your wires to land. Here's your flash drive. This is where any of your records of deliveries will be. It can also be used to do an update to the software if necessary. You got your main circuit board. There's a lot of diagnostic lights if you're troubleshooting or even doing a startup that can be helpful. We've got a fuse, a 2-amp fuse for incoming 12-volt power. We've got a 10-amp fuse for the power out to the pump. Again, we've got little terminal blocks to make your connections. And I'll do another video here that shows this up close and just how to wire it in more detail. But this is a weather rated NEMA 4 box. So this can be on the back of the truck, can get rained on and you know, wash off your truck without worrying about damaging this. We also send, as far as the wire goes, we send a few spools of wire. I'll get into that when we talk about wiring. But that's just a brief rundown of the controller that you'll be installing. And I'll make some more detailed videos here very shortly.